Okay, so here's the question. We've got a diagram here with a box of lead and a box of feathers, and they're on a balance scale, and that balance is reading 0, so they're balanced against each other, their masses. But the first question is, which box has the greater volume? The box of feathers or the box of lead? Well, think about what our definition for volume is. The amount of space something takes up. Well, the feathers obviously is taking up a lot more space than the lead. So the box with the greater volume is the feathers. But which box has the greater mass? So think now about your definition for mass. Remember, mass is the amount of matter or the amount of stuff something has. Well, you probably are going to say the lead. That's what most people think. But remember, this is a balance scale, and they're both equally balanced in terms of their mass. So the answer is neither. They both have the exact same mass. So the exact same amount of stuff in different amounts of volume. What we're talking about are different densities. Even though their mass is the same, their volume is different, so they have different densities. And density really is how much of that stuff is packed into a certain volume. And that's our definition for density. This is in your notes. D equals m over v. Density is equal to mass per unit of volume. Okay? It's basically how much stuff is in a certain amount of volume. Now the unit for density, since mass is grams and volume is milliliters, our unit for density here in the lab is grams per milliliter. In the simulation that you used, kilograms per liter. Okay? But that's our unit for density, and it's mass over volume. It should be easy to remember. DMV. That's where you go to get your driver's license, so you should never be able to forget that. D equals m over v.